Hi children, welcome to Sunny Sky English High School. Today in our 6th standard English syllabus of semester 2, we'll proceed towards unit 3, water for all. Now, water is the basic need for each and every species surviving on this planet Earth. Now, without water we all cannot survive. Whether it is for our drinking purpose, whether cleaning, bathing, and for various needs in industries, everywhere we need water. So, even plants, animals, birds, they all also need water. So, water is our basic need in order to survive and exist on this very earth. Water, air, food, all these things. Without these three important things we cannot survive. So this chapter is very much about water, and water is life. We all know it very well. Another important thing in this lesson is that why water is so essential to us. But the problem with water is that the entire planet Earth, though it is surrounded by water, there is very less amount of drinkable water for us, which is called pure drinking water. Now, this poem will highlight upon so many activities, and so many activities means what? First one, there is a concept of science in this. Though it is your English subject, there is a concept of science, that how the salty water or saline water is being purified and transformed into pure drinking water. So that we will understand first in activity number 1 in this particular chapter, and the question answers relevant to this activity, and activity by activity I have made the question answers so that you can understand it in a very proper way and write it down your notes. Now, first activity, I will just show you the machine in which the saline water is being purified and transformed into drinkable water. So let us see this first. Now this is a deconsolidation process, that how the water is being how the salty water is being transformed into drinkable water. First, boiling chamber is always there, because boiling water, first we have to boil the water, then slowly and steadily the entire process goes on from here. First one, what will happen? It will start the boiling chamber first, then the process goes on, and then this condensation will happen, and afterwards the water is coolant in drain, and then later on, first it is heated only, keep it in mind. After heating, the boiling process starts, and then other activities takes place in this machine, and finally the condensing dome is here, and then we get a final product which is water, which is pure water, which we can drink. Clear? So this is a machine in which this proper process of deconsolidation of saline water is being done. Now another important thing in this which you have to remember is that there is nearly 126 into 10 raised to 19 liters of water on this earth, and yet drinkable water is very less. Less means what? Only 1% or half of 1% is drinkable for us, which is pure water, maybe rainwater or the water which comes from the melting of ice, snow-capped mountains. So that is also pure water, and rainwater of course. So this number we can speak as 10 quintillations, that is according to international numbering system. So this number you can understand through 126 into 10 raised to 19 liters and 10 quintillations. It is how it is spoken. We speak million, billion, trillion, but the last number in the international numbering system is 10 quintillations, and this applies to this figure. It's a big figure, keep it in mind children. Understood? This is a very big number. So 126 into 10 raised to 19. So because there are 19 zeros in this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 10 raised to 19. That is how we do the counting of this particular number of water, liters of water on earth, which is not drinkable. Out of this, only 1% is drinkable. Understood? So this is how this machine works. First it is being heated, then the water is being boiled in a boiling chamber, then it is condensed properly, and afterwards it is cooled down, and afterwards the cooling of water goes in this portion of this machine, and then the final product comes out as a pure drinking water. Many countries in this world is using these condensation machines in order to purify the salty water. Why? Because there is scarcity of pure drinking water across the world. Clear? And we as a citizen of this world, we are very much responsible to use the water in a judicious manner, in a proper manner, and we should not waste water. It is our responsibility as an individual. Each and every individual is responsible for saving water. Clear? Why? Because we have to preserve it not for us only, but we have to preserve it for the upcoming generations as well. Okay? So let us move towards the reading part of this lesson. Now there is 1.26 into 10 raised to 19 liters of water on the earth. Yet drinkable water is scarce. Scarce means what? Very less quantity. We have to drink, we have to cook food, we have to use it for cleaning and washing purpose also. So for that, saline water is not needed, only drinking and usable water is required, which we can use it, which is sweet. The reason is less than 1/2 of 1% of earth's water is drinkable. Out of such a huge number, children, only 1.5% of water is usable and drinkable. Rest all the water is saline. And you know that the entire earth is covered with water only. There are so many seas, oceans, bays, and rivers, lakes, ponds, and so that is how the earth is surrounded by water. That is why the color of the earth is also blue. From the outer space, if we get the pictures of the earth, it is blue in color because of the water on the earth. Clear? And you know all these basics of it. This amount is too less to fulfill the need of drinking water for the people on the earth. Very true, because people are so many. There is more than 8 billion population of this earth. So our earth is having human population. Apart from that, birds are there, animals are there, plants are there, who also requires water. So water is not only for human needs, but for other species who are existing on this earth. The only option left with us is to convert sea water into drinking water. Very true. What is the only option left with us? It is due to so much of industrialization, so much of new inventions and technology. Man has made his life easy, and for converting the saline water or salty water into drinkable water, man has also found out one of the machine in order to convert the saline water into pure water, which is usable and drinkable. Even ground level water is also usable, but sometimes it so happens that we have to go so much deep into the crust of the earth in order to get the ground level water. So that process is also little expensive, but yes, hand pumps and bore wells, they have proved to be effective for the humans to use it. This process is known as The only option left was to convert seawater into drinking water. This process is known as desalination. In an old style, seawater was boiled until it turned into steam. Steam means what? Bath. That is a condensation process. Clear everyone? So desalination is also a process in which the water is being heated, afterwards it is converted into vapor after heating, and then that which water is which cooled down, afterwards it is considered for drinking. Why? Because the salinity is being removed due to heating the water. Clear? In an old style, seawater was boiled until it turned into steam. The steam would be cooled, condensed and back into water and then collected. Very true. That is a simple process. After heating the water, the water will convert into steam, and that steamed water, when it cools down, afterwards it is used for drinking. Why? Because the salinity is completely gone. The steam water will be cooled and condensed back into water, and then we have to collect it back. See, same like this. Here the final product, which is cooling water, is done here, and then condensing doom here, and then finally we get the finished product is the form of water, which is good for drinking, which is drinkable. But this process consumed a lot of time, and seawater could be converted into drinking water in very small amounts. Very true. This process was time consuming, and then finally when it cools down, it has to be collected, and after collecting it was used. So it is a long process. So that is also a thing which is not acceptable to us. This method works well in small amounts, but heating the water to boil takes a lot of fuel also. Keep it in mind, because fuel is also required in order to burn this water, heat this water. So heating process is expensive process. Not only expensive but time consuming process. That is why people thought to find some other alternative in order to get the pure drinking water. Because of the need for such fuel, desalination enough water for cities, states and nations is usually too costly. Very true. It is too costly a process of desalination. Desalination is a very expensive process to supply water to each and every city or a country or a state. It is a time consuming and costly process. So people were thinking the other ways out. However, as technology improves and fresh water becomes less plentiful, scientists and engineers look for new ways to make desalination less costly. Now as time has changed, scientists, people with new things have already come up with a solution in order to make the desalination a little less expensive process. Understood, children? So it is very important part to understand that water is everywhere for us, but the thing is, water which is drinkable is very less in amount. Clear? So that we have to keep it in mind. Now in this session, children, some question answers I have prepared. I will just read it out for you so that you can write it in your notes. First one is activity number 1 related question answers. In that 3 meanings are there: scarce, not easy to find, desalination, the removal of salt from the water. In simple ways it is written to remove the salt from the seawater. Third one is condense, to change a chance to make something change from a gas to a liquid or solid state. So condensation is that process. You might have studied in your science also. To change, to make something change from gaseous to a liquid state or solid state later on. So this happens in condensation process. Desalination means what? Removing salt from the water, from the sea water. And condensing means what? To change any state of gaseous to liquid or solid form. Clear? Now question answers. How much liter of water is there on our earth? There is about 126 into 10 raised to 19 liters of water on our planet Earth. Why is drinking water scarce on our planet? Less than 0.5% of Earth's water is drinkable. Therefore, drinking water is very scarce. What is this picture about? Now, picture in your textbook. It is very much there, children, which I have already drawn on the blackboard. In your textbook also, you can draw it as an experiment in your CW. So, you will understand this very well. For your understanding, it has been given. This picture is about the desalination of water. It's called the desalination, the process of removing salt from seawater so that people can use it. In fact, people have been making seawater drinkable since the time of ancient Greeks. So this started from ancient Greek civilization. And as you know that Greek civilization, Egyptian civilization and Indian civilization are three of the most oldest civilizations in the world. So Greek civilization was something who was responsible for turning the sea water into drinkable water. The old way to heat the water until it turned to steam. The steam would rise, leaving the salt behind. The steam would be cooled, condensed back into water, and then collected. This method works well in small amounts, but heating the water to boil takes a lot of fuel. As I told you in my explanation also, that heating this water takes so much of fuel, so that is why it is costly and even time consuming. Because of the need for so much fuel, desalinating enough water for cities, states and nations is usually too costly. However, as technology improves and fresh water becomes less plentiful, scientists and engineers look for new ways to make desalination little less costly. So, scientists and inventors and engineers have come up with new things. So, it has made our life little easy for changing the salty water into pure drinking water. Especially this machine is concerned, so much of modification has come. What is desalination? The desalination is a process of removing salt from the seawater. Clear? See, many countries, I will give you the example of Israel. Israel is a desert country, but still due to all this technology available to Israel, they have come up with so much of revolutions as far as drip irrigation is concerned. Though with less amount of water they can do agricultural activities also, and sea water they have straight away converted into drinking water by using the technology over there. So technology has made many countries which are desert countries very prosperous. Clear? Though without water and rain also many countries, there are examples of countries who have prospered immensely, economically, financially, and people have grown there. How old is the desalination method? People have been making seawater drinkable since the time of ancient Greek. Why could the method of desalination not be practiced on a higher scale? The method of desalination could not be practiced on a higher scale for the following two reasons. The two reasons are, this method works well in small amounts only, when you want to extract only small amount of water. But if you want to get more amount and more quantity of water, then things become little harder. For heating the water to boil consumes a lot of fuel, which is too costly, and the process is very costly also and time consuming also. Next one is, describe the desalination process practiced in old times. In desalination process, the water was heated until it turned into steam. Steam means what? બાફ. ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે એને શું કહીએ? બાફ. The steam would rise, leaving the salt behind, and the steam would be cooled, condensed back into water, and then it will be collected. Why is the traditional desalination process no more in practice? That traditional practice which was done in the Greek time or ancient time, why it is not practiced now? Desalination works very well in small amounts, but it is not so convenient to get drinkable water in large amounts, and heating the water to boil takes a lot of fuel and it is too costly. As I told you, heating this water, this process is very expensive, it takes so much of fuel and time consuming. Yes, if you want only small amount or 1 or 2 buckets of water, it is okay. But if you want to supply to entire city or a country or a state, then the process is little difficult. So heating of water is costly and it is time consuming and fuel is required in that. Clear everybody? So with this I conclude my activity number 1 of unit 3. So I hope you have understood this chapter. Make sure that you draw this diagram once, it is given in your textbook also, and write down the meanings and question answers which I have read it out for you. So children, thank you and have a nice day.